Welcome! In front of me is a HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone, through settings. So anyway, let's open up settings. From here you're gonna scroll all the way, actually, I was gonna say all the way to system, but no you won't, because first we need to do some absolutely redundant stupidity by going into our HUAWEI ID, which is the equivalent of an iCloud, and disable the Find a Device, which is the same thing as Apple does with Find My. So you just kind of go here and toggle it off. Now, keep in mind, you number one need to be connected to a network, otherwise tapping on this does absolutely effing nothing. And you also need to provide your Google account password, which honestly I don't remember, so I'm not even gonna bother with this. Design stupid device, you get stupid treatment. That's basically my logic here. So anyway, once you disable the Find Device, you can then scroll down to System and then select Reset Phone. It provides you with things that it will remove, so if you want to keep some of the things, you can back it up. Now you do have a nice option to back it up right after you confirm your stupid pattern. It's not enough that you already needed to do first sign out of the Find Device, which requires a Google account or password for, actually not Google, the HUAWEI account. Now you also need to confirm this. I mean, I'm pretty sure if you know one, you know the other one. So one is useless here. It's completely redundant. But apparently HUAWEI just decides to gem as much security from a company that gathers as much data as they do, as they can, giving you what, a false sense of security? Jesus, get a load of these guys. Anyway, from here you can back it up, which this should have been before, not when you press reset once. It kind of F's with minds there. But yeah, you can back it up from here if you want to keep some of those stuff that were listed before, or you can just jump straight to resetting your phone. Or maybe you already backed it up and you want to now reset. So you just select continue, or well, in my case I need to disable the Find My Phone, but anyway, we just select reset and it should go through a factory reset, and once it's completed you will be then presented with a setup screen for this phone. So like I said, I'm not going to go through it on a video just because HUAWEI. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.